Welcome and what is up there, everybody? This is Casper Trader back here with another video today. I just got off the live stream. I did a quick live stream. Just a quick message for you guys. If you guys have some free time, I'd really appreciate if you guys could watch that. I really want to tell you something, but I'm not gonna waste time in this video. I made a separate video for that. It's like 5 minutes long. So, before I get into my portfolio, as you can see, it's at $213, up a pretty good amount today. Before I get into that, I'd really appreciate if you guys could smash that like button below and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you guys have not yet. And I really thank you guys for the support on the channel. We hit 350 subs. It was like just so short ago that we hit 200 subs. I really want to thank you guys for all the support. Alright guys, so getting into it. On here, you can see that I am holding only UWT. As some people asked in the Discord, I did sell off my my TVIX right here at $29.99. It was like almost at $30, and I think I did sell it at a pretty nice price point right now. I mean, it was only one share, so more or less I would have had a few cents more or a few cents less. Let's check it out really quickly though. But I lost my interest in this stock. Right now, I can't find it, so I'm going to search it up. TVIX. I lost my interest in this stock because if I looked at the charts, and it's just been consolidating around the same area over and over again, and it keeps going lower and lower. So right now, I just want to get out of the stock, and once it does start trending back upwards, then maybe I'll buy in some shares. But right now, it's of no value to me, and it's just holding my money, which I could be using to invest in other stocks that will make me money. So basically, yeah, I just sold my TVIX shares, and on UWT, I've been going pretty aggressive. I bought it on Friday night, and it was a good idea to do that. Right now, the reason why I haven't sold yet is I think the stock has more potential. If I were to go on some crude oil graphs, I would show you guys what I see. Obviously, I'll try to explain it with Robinhood charts, but maybe it won't be the best explanation because their charts aren't the most detailed, but I still think the stock has potential to hit like $15.77 or like $16. It has had a pretty high point today, but I feel like it can still go much higher, like double this mountain right here. So maybe even above $16, and that would be a pretty nice profit. I made around 3% on this so far. It's a good amount, and for this week so far, this is from last week, but this week, Monday and Tuesday. Wait, no, today's Monday. Oh, so Friday and Monday was like my biggest push back up. So I was from 196. I went from 196 to $213. So I made around $17 in the last 2 days, which is a great thing to do. And I finally balanced out my portfolio, got rid of my DWT shares for those who haven't watched my previous videos. And that's all I wanted to talk about today. And if you guys have any questions, comments, suggestions, or concerns, I really appreciate if you guys could put in the comment section below. I read every single one of them, and I try to respond to every one of them that are a question. So, thank you guys so much for watching, and I wish you guys a fantastic trading week.